Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable files on demand in OneDrive app at 2025. So actually guys, at first you will need just to go ahead on your taskbar, go ahead and tap on show hidden icons and then click on OneDrive or the cloud icon, okay, and then you will need to go and tap on the gear icon or help and settings that's located on the top right corner of the app, and then just go and select the first option, settings. And right now I do want you to go with the left hand menu and click on the first option or first section, sync and backup, and then just scroll down and click on advanced settings. Okay, so right now I do want you to keep scrolling until you can see the files on demand. Okay, so on the previous versions of OneDrive, you will be able to check or uncheck a box for an option that says save space and download files as you use them. Okay, and once you do that, the files appear in File Explorer with status icon, and the online only files take up no local space until you open them. In newer OneDrive versions, the files on demand may already be turned on by default, and the toggle may be missing in the settings as you can see on the current version, and in which case OneDrive automatically manages it. Okay, so actually as you can see, you will go with download all files, then just click on continue, and yeah, it's already downloaded by default, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.